Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tapshi Tech and Reviews. In today's video, let's quickly see how to enroll yourself for all the beta updates on your Apple iPhones as well as iPad. In today's video, we'll quickly see for iPhones and see how to enroll yourself for all the developer beta versions and public beta versions. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's get in the video. Please enjoy. So let's quickly see how to enroll yourself for all the beta software updates on your iPhone or even iPad. So currently, if I go to General and click on Software Update, so you'll not see anything. There is no updates available and there is no beta option. What you'll have to do is go here and search for Apple Beta Program, and it will take us here. So if I scroll down, there's a sign in option. Just click on Sign in and click on Continue and Sign in. So once signed in, you'll have to just click on Agree. So once agreed, there's a option called Enroll your iOS device. Just click on that, and you should be getting the beta updates coming up here. So currently it's off. Refresh this again, there will be an option called as beta updates. Currently if I click on that, then there will be one option, public beta available, iOS 17 public beta. So what it does is it will get all the stable beta versions if you do it from here. Or the other option is if you want the iOS 18 developer beta version to come up, what you'll have to do is go to App Store and then search for Apple developer and then install this Apple developer. So once installed, and just open this, click on continue, don't send, and click on account, and then just click on sign in with your Apple ID. It will automatically sign in. We don't have to give any confirmation again. Just click on all the agreement, just agree that, then just click on enroll now and click on continue. So after that, it should get all the updates. So it will ask for all the other information. You don't have to fill in that details. And after some time, you should see this option coming up. You don't have to fill in all those details. You just need to wait for some time. And if it still doesn't come, then you just restart the phone and you should see this option coming up. iOS 18 developer beta, public beta, and developer beta. If it's a public beta, you will get it automatically when you enroll via the website, which I showed you earlier. If it's a developer beta, then you'll have to do it via that Apple developer app. And you should be very cautious when using this. It's not completely available for public. There might be some bugs. So it might cause some issues also if it's a major bug. So be very cautious when using all these developer beta versions. So yeah, that's all. Let me know in the comments. So hope you all like the video. If you like the video, please do the like button, subscribe, comment. Let's catch you in the next video. Until then, see you. Bye.